Welcome to Hype Tech Picks. If you're thinking about upgrading your outdoor gear with a powerful, reliable, and easy-to-use kayak roof rack, this video's for you. Today, we're covering the top 5 best kayak roof racks, chosen for their stability, safety features, ease of installation, and overall value. Whether you have permanent side rails or no roof rack at all, we've got options that will keep your boat secure at highway speeds. For more details and the latest prices, you'll find all the product links in the description below. Let's get started.
We're kicking things off with the IKURAM R Kayak Roof Rack. This heavy-duty, aviation-grade aluminum carrier is built to handle up to 2 kayaks or stand-up paddleboards with a load capacity of 220 pounds. It features a clever folding J-style design with thick rubber padding to keep your gear from getting beat up on the highway. When you're not using it, the release handle lets you fold it down flat so you can pull right into your garage without having to take the whole system off. It even comes with integrated paddle holders, which is a nice touch. But it's not perfect. Instructions are famously awful, so prepare to watch some online videos to figure it out. Also, the 3-inch mounting bolts are incredibly long. If you're putting this on a smaller SUV, those bolts might actually scratch your roof, so you'll probably want to cut them down a bit. Some users also notice the clamping knobs can vibrate loose on long trips. Still, for a lightweight aluminum rack that won't rust, this is an incredibly secure and smart pick.
Next up is the Leader Accessories Folding Kayak Rack. This steel tube beast is built like a tank with a powder-coated finish designed to resist rust and harsh weather. It supports up to 150 pounds and features an extra-wide J-bar design that gives your kayak a much wider, more stable base. Just like our first pick, it has a quick-release lever that lets you fold the bars flat when you're driving empty. The padding is highly durable EVA foam, and the rubber bumpers do a great job of keeping your boat scratch-free. On the flip side, the included carriage bolts might be too short if your car has extra thick crossbars, meaning a trip to the hardware store for longer hardware might be in your future. Also, the locking levers are notoriously stiff, so adjusting the angle takes a bit of muscle. The included straps work okay for a few trips, but they wear out fast, so we'd recommend upgrading them. Despite those small issues, it's a rugged, heavy-duty option that won't budge at highway speeds, making it a very smart and reliable investment. If you want to transport multiple boats without spending a fortune, the PIRIPARA Kayak Roof Rack is a budget-friendly powerhouse. This package comes with 2 pairs of alloy steel J-bars, meaning you can carry 2 kayaks right out of the box with a 150-pound limit. The design is simple, featuring adjustable foam padding and a rust-resistant coating. It fits most factory flat, oval, or square crossbars, and the wide-mouth design makes loading and unloading your boats pretty painless. However, you get what you pay for when it comes to quality control. Some of the pre-drilled holes don't line up perfectly, so you might need a file to get it together. The included wrench is basically useless, so bring your own tools. It's also not meant to be left on your car permanently, as the steel will start to show rust spots after a couple of months in the rain. But if you take them off between trips, they're incredibly sturdy and offer massive value for the price, easily handling your casual weekend adventures without ever giving you any frustrating road travel drama. What if your car doesn't have crossbars or roof rails? That's where the HEYTRIP Universal Soft Roof Rack comes in. This is a temporary strap-on system made from high-grade EVA foam pads that can carry up to 176 pounds. It's incredibly easy to use, strapping directly through your car doors in about 10 minutes. It protects your roof from scratches with a non-slip bottom mat and comes with ultra-long straps, hood loops, and a storage bag. It's the perfect option for quick weekend trips. But soft racks have unique drawbacks. If you drive fast, the flat straps will vibrate against your car roof and make a terrible buzzing noise. We recommend putting a twist in the straps to quiet them down. Also, if your car has a massive moonroof, you'll have to place the pads far forward or backward to avoid cracking the glass. Finally, don't use this in a downpour because water can seep along the straps right into your cabin. For dry days, though, it's incredibly convenient, highly portable, and remarkably easy to pack away when you're totally finished paddling.
Rounding out our list is the SELERETE Soft Roof Rack. This is another premium soft pad system designed for cars without permanent rails, but it ups the ante with heavy-duty, UV-resistant 900D nylon fabric and a 200-pound load capacity. SELERETE includes extra-long 20-foot tie-down straps, which are fantastic because they allow you to wrap your kayak twice for double the security on the highway.
The anti-skid bottom keeps everything firmly in place, and it fits easily on almost any sedan or compact car. Keep in mind, there are no instructions in the box, so you'll have to figure out the rigging yourself. Just like other soft racks, you absolutely cannot use this in the rain, or you'll end up with a soaked interior as water travels down the webbing. Over-tightening the straps on lighter cars, like a hybrid, can also slightly deform thin roof metal, so don't go crazy with the tension. That said, the double-wrap straps make this one of the safest soft setups around, particularly if you want peace of mind while driving at higher speeds on long, winding trips.
And that wraps up the top 5 best kayak roof racks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe to HYTRIP Picks, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest outdoor gear picks. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate all of your support, and we'll see you in the next awesome one.